boys and girls. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. So, I just wanted to come on and explain today and actually this week's writing. You boys and girls for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday will be working on your writing, and you will be working on it through Google Docs. That way I can give you feedback as well as Miss Samisi. We can both give you feedback on how you're doing and what you need to work on and what we would like to see through this month's writing piece. So I just wanted to come on and show you what you will be working on for this week. And then I'm also just going to clarify some of the directions I gave you in today's assignment. So boys and girls, once you finish watching this video, you will go to the Google Doc titled Family, and then this line is called an underscore, and it's like a space basically, boys and girls, and then name. What I want you to do is once you open it, you will have your own Google Doc, boys and girls. And this way, Miss Laspiza and Miss Samisi can see how you're working on your writing piece. So currently, the Google Doc here is the name family and then underscore your name. What I want you boys and girls to do, the first thing is you need to retype and put your last name in. So I should see family underscore and then your last name. So mine says family underscore Laspiza. So for example, again, family underscore Griffin, family underscore Sprayberry, family underscore Forsyth. You know the drill, boys and girls, okay? So I want you boys and girls to make sure you put your last name in there so I know whose it is as well as Miss Samisi. Then what you're going to do is put your name here, and you're going to type everything, boys and girls. We're not going to be writing on your paper. It's going to be a lot easier for myself, Miss Samisi, and your parents to just type it, and then we can give you the feedback that we want to see how you're doing. If you need to work on anything, if you need to add more details, it'll be easier this way. So again, here's just some notes to have to remind you of what I was just speaking about, boys and girls. Once you finish writing your name, like Miss Laspiza is going to do, remember Monday, this is today, but last week we worked on your hook, or you're capturing the reader's attention. I want you to type in your hook here. So Miss Laspiza's was, have you ever met a family where both members are black belts in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Taekwondo? Okay, so this is my hook, boys and girls. You boys and girls are just going to rewrite your hook here. And then what I want you to do, boys and girls, is I want you to start typing who is in your immediate family. If you notice, boys and girls, some of the questions are very familiar from what you did last time. And this should also be in your Google Drive. I will show you how to do that later on. So you're going to start typing it in a complete sentence. So again, if you remember, I said I have my younger brother, but again, we're focusing on people who live with you in your house. So I'm going to say, in my immediate family, I have my husband named Vinny and my furry cat named Des. You boys and girls will be writing about who's in your family here, just your immediate family. And then I have some questions here for you. What is your mom's name? What does your mom do for work? And I know some of your moms don't work, or they work from home, or they work around the house. You can write that too, whatever you feel comfortable with, boys and girls. If you want to, instead, you can also write, what's your mom's favorite activity? And your mom's favorite food. You can say my mom's favorite food is, and we just finished opinions on food, so I'd love to see some of those great adjectives to describe your favorite food. And then you're going to stop today for your writing. So again, if you notice, Miss Laspiza put some questions here for you boys and girls to help you and guide you through your writing. And then what we're going to do is once we finish everything, Miss Laspiza will help you take the questions away, and then you'll have your writing piece. So for the rest of the week, boys and girls, I just wanted to explain what you're going to be doing Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday, you will have something different to do, but again, this week you are going to be working on your immediate family through Google Docs on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And this should all be finished by Thursday, boys and girls. So the due date will be Thursday, April 2nd. So again, it says, please do not go ahead. I want you to stay on track with Miss Laspiza. So for Tuesday, you're going to be talking about your dad. So what is your dad's name? What does your dad do for work? What's your dad's favorite activity or favorite food? Again, if you're having trouble or anything like this at all, boys and girls, I'm going to clarify what you're going to be doing. And if you have further questions, you can always have your parents email Miss Laspiza, and I'm happy to always help you, boys and girls. And then again, stop your writing for today. This is for Tuesday, don't forget. Then we have Wednesday and Thursday. So I want you in this area to talk about your pets or siblings. Okay, now some of you, I know you don't have a pet or a sibling. If you don't have a pet or a sibling, please skip this part, and then you will be talking about your favorite places. But for friends who do have a pet or a sibling, make sure that you include them here. So tell me about your pets. Tell me about your siblings. And I want you to clarify also, I noticed that some of you said you have a sibling, and some of you said, I have a sibling and their name, but you didn't clarify. Are they older than you or are they younger than you? Make sure you put that. I think that's very important as well. Also, include your sibling's name. And what is your sibling's favorite activity? Again, this is for Wednesday. Stop your writing for today. And then this is for Thursday, boys and girls. I forgot to put that on here, sorry. This is for Thursday, April 2nd. Make sure you're going to be talking about your favorite places. Make sure to type your sentences in a complete sentence. So you're going to tell Miss Laspiza and Miss Samisi 3 places your family likes to visit. But make sure you clarify and say why. So the first place my family likes to visit is, Miss Laspiza is going to say the beach. And then I'm going to say, my family likes to visit this place. You could say the beach because the sand is nice and warm. Also, my family enjoys the crystal clear blue water. And then you're going to continue on and do the second place and then the third place, boys and girls. So again, you're going to be working on this throughout the whole week, and this is all due by Thursday. So just as a friendly reminder, let me go back. Tuesday's assignment, Wednesday, and Thursday. The only way you skip this area of your pets and siblings is if you don't have any pets or if you don't have any siblings. You can go straight to Thursday's writing here. So boys and girls, that is your writing that you will be working on for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now also on today's assignment, boys and girls, I posted a Zoom meeting. After watching this video, if you still have questions or you want some clarification or maybe you're not sure about a couple of things, I will be on Zoom at 10 o'clock a.m. this morning to answer any questions, or even if you need guidance, you're like, I don't know where to start, Miss Laspiza, I need some help, come on to Zoom, I will help you out, and we can go from there, boys and girls. If you think you have everything, then I will be checking out your Google Doc every day just to see how you're doing and give you any feedback. All right, writers, I cannot wait to read all about your immediate family. I'll talk to everyone soon. Have a great day. Bye.